So far we have discussed about the control, neural control of human beings. How reflex action occur, what is the function of neurons and structure of neurons and human brain. Now today we are going to talk about chemical coordination. हम आज किसके बारे में बात करेंगे? केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन के बारे में. वी हैव डिस्कस न्यूरल coordination, like how coordination is occur. Yesterday I told you that it is both as neural control as well as chemical control. So today we are going to discuss about what is all about the chemical control. So when it comes for chemical control, it is done by human endocrine system, that is human endocrine system. A human endocrine system, it's a unique system in which our body is having different kinds of glands. हमारी बॉडी में डिफरेंट तरह की ग्लैंड्स होती है एंड एवरी ग्लैंड सीक्रेट्स a substance or a fluid which is known as hormones, and this hormone has a particular work, like they are not required in more amount, it is not required in more amount, but वो छोटे अमाउंट में ही पाया जाता रिक्वायर्ड होता है, बट द वर्क ऑफ दिस हार्मोन्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी. Another name of endocrine, the glands which are associated with the endocrine system are known as ductless gland. Why ductless gland? Their secretion directly, they don't have any specific ducts and all. अभी हमने पैनक्रियास भी एक ग्लैंड है, हमने लिवर की बात करी, तो ये सब इनके सीक्रेशंस जो होते हैं दैट इज थ्रू ट्यूब्स और थ्रू चैनल इट इज गोइंग समवेयर. बट व्हेन इट कम्स फॉर एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स, दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज डक्टलेस ग्लैंड, और इनके सीक्रेशंस जो होते हैं दैट आर डायरेक्टली रीचिंग एंड मिक्सड विद द ब्लड. उनके लिए कोई डक्ट्स नहीं होती है, एंड देन दे आर रीचिंग टू द साइट वेयर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो जहाँ वो जाते हैं दैट इज नोन एज टारगेट साइट. सो दो तीन चीज़ें हैं, दे आर डक्टलेस ग्लैंड और डक्टलेस सिस्टम, and they are target specific. So they are target specific as well. So this is the unique quality. Now there are different types of glands which are present in our body at different places. Question usually come the location and the function, or sometimes the question may come the boy is suffering in so and so, what is the problem or which hormone the person is lacking. This kind of question usually been asked. So very first we are going to start with the pituitary gland. What is the position of pituitary gland? It is present somewhere in the brain of or hypothalamus of human body. ठीक है, ब्रेन के हाइपोथैलेमस में प्रेजेंट होती है. ठीक है, एंड द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट, तो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड का फंक्शन होता है इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मास्टर ग्लैंड. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? मास्टर ग्लैंड. इट इज द ग्लैंड विच कंट्रोल द सीक्रेशंस ऑफ अदर ग्लैंड्स एज वेल. दूसरे ग्लैंड के सीक्रेशन को भी वो कंट्रोल करती है, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज मास्टर ग्लैंड. और इसका सीक्रेशन होता है बेसिकली ग्रोथ हार्मोन. ग्रोथ हार्मोन मीन्स विच इफेक्ट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. इसका ओवर सीक्रेशन हो जाता है तो वो बोलते हैं जाइजेंटिज्म. मीन्स ऊपर नीचे हाथ पैर का प्रपोर्शन नहीं रहता, बहुत लंबे पैर हो जाते हैं, बहुत लंबे हाथ हो जाते हैं, एकदम से टॉल हो जाते हो, दैट इज नोन एज जाइजेंटिज्म. एंड जब सीक्रेशन कम होता है देन इट इज द अफेक्ट इज नोन एज ड्वार्फिज्म. बौना रह जाता है इंसान. सो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज मास्टर ग्लैंड. Pituitary glands are also known as master gland, and this master gland controls the secretions of other glands. So very first gland, pituitary, we have discussed. Now second gland which we are going to discuss, that is thyroid gland. Now thyroid gland present in your neck, यहाँ पे present होती है. This is present somewhere here near to your voice box and all. So this thyroid gland secrete thyroxine hormone. It secretes thyroxine hormone, and it basically functions to control the metabolism of the body. ठीक है, तो उसका बेसिक काम होता है मेटाबॉलिज्म को कंट्रोल करना. इफ the thyroid gland is not working properly, then it is known as hypothyroidism, और उसकी वजह से हमें goiter जैसा बीमारी हो जाती है. Goiter means there is a neck becomes swollen, which is known as goiter. और goiter को क्योर करने के लिए what we have to do, we have to take iodized salt, वो हमें लेना चाहिए. एंड उससे क्या होता है, इट विल प्रमोट दैट द थायरॉक्सिन विल वर्क प्रॉपरली एंड इट्स थायराइड ग्लैंड विल वर्क प्रॉपरली एंड द सिक्रीशन ऑफ थायरॉक्सिन विल आकर. सो दीज आर द टू ग्लैंड्स. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द अदर ग्लैंड्स एज वेल. हम दूसरी ग्लैंड के बारे में बात करते हैं. थर्ड वन सिर पे देख लिया हमने, ठीक है. द प्रेजेंट पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड्स आर प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. नाउ थायराइड ग्लैंड. Now afterwards there is another gland which is known as pancreas. Now there is a unique feature of pancreas. It is also known as endocrine gland, exocrine gland. Pancreas को जो secretion है वो दोनों काम करता है. वो endocrine gland जैसे भी काम करती है, वो exocrine gland जैसे भी काम करती है. It is a unique feature of pancreas. Where does it present? They are present in abdominal cavity and somewhere near to the stomach. Pancreas are present and the secretion of pancreas are known as insulin. What insulin does? It controls the blood sugar level. If sugar level is more, the secretion of insulin will be more, and it is secreted by the alpha cells, the beta cells of the pancreas. Okay, another hormone which pancreas secrete, that is known as glucagon. And it is secretes by the alpha cells present in the insulin. So two types of cells are present in the pancreas, alpha cells and beta cells. Beta cell secretes insulin, which reduce the blood sugar level. But if there is less sugar in your body, if there is a scarcity of sugar, then the alpha cell will work and which secrete glucagon, which increase the sugar level in your body. So the control is done by the pancreatic gland. Now after pancreatic gland, we'll reach the next gland is adrenal gland. This adrenal gland is also known as fear, flight or fight gland, or a gland which prepares us for adverse condition. Suppose a teacher came to the class, okay, and suddenly the teacher has announced, okay, today is a surprise test. What will happen? You feel little nervous and you will feel कि अब क्या होगा? If questions will come, what will I do? But suddenly you maintain somehow and you understand how to overcome this situation. At that point of situation, your adrenal glands will work and it will secrete hormone which is known as adrenaline hormone. And it is present on the top of the kidney, just like a cap over kidney. Kidney hoti, two pairs of kidneys are present and this gland is present at the top of the kidney. Kidney के ऊपर present होती है, ठीक है, just like a cap over the kidney. So one pair of adrenal gland and they secrete adrenaline hormone, and it is the gland which prepares her to fight with the adverse condition. So this is also known as fear, flight or fight condition. या तो लड़ो या फिर डर के बैठ जाओ. So this is all control is done by adrenal gland. Now fifth gland which we are going to discuss, that is ovaries. Now ovaries are also known as endocrine as well as exocrine glands, क्योंकि उसके जो secretion होते हैं वो duct के through भी जाते हैं और ductless भी जाते हैं. So pancreas और and ovaries दोनों कौन सी categories में है? Endocrine as well as exocrine glands. The secretion of ovaries are progesterone and estrogen. The secretion is progesterone and estrogen, and both of them are responsible for secondary sexual characters in female. Now what about secondary sexual character? Enlargement of breast, change in voice, okay, and hairs in armpit, hairs in vaginal areas. So these are the secondary sexual characters which occurs whenever a female comes into a teenage. Okay, we all know that newborn, then the toddler, then teenage and then adulthood. So जो teenage वाला portion होता है, that time the hormonal changes is occur and secondary sexual characters develop in a female. which is done by ovaries. Okay, so this is the gland which is responsible for it, and it is also known as endocrine and exocrine glands. Now the ovaries are present in female. So this gland found only in females. Okay. Now the 6th number gland is testes. Now these testes are found again in males and near lower abdomen. Lower abdomen area mein it is present. Testes are also endocrine and exocrine gland. So if the question come, what are the name the glands which have both endocrine and exocrine system in male, then answer will be pancreas and testes. When it will be asked for females, then it will be ovaries and pancreas. But it will be asked कि human beings में कौन सी ऐसी glands है जो दोनों function करती है, exocrine endocrine. Then the answer will be ovaries in female, male it is testes, and pancreas in both. Then you have to explain all three properly. Okay, so lower abdomen में present होती है males के, and the secretion is known as testosterone. And this testosterone is responsible for secondary sexual characters in male. Now मेल्स में सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स कौन से होते हैं? वॉइस चेंज हो जाना. मेल्स की वॉइस जो होती है व्हेन दे आर कमिंग टू टीनेज एज, व्हाट हैपेंस, देयर वॉइस बिकम्स लिटिल हार्श, भारी हो जाती है. दे हैव अ लाउड वॉइस. सो ये जो चेंजेस होता है, इवन एक्ने एंड इन मेल्स एडम्स एप्पल, समटाइम सम दिस नेक के बाहर कुछ एक ग्रोथ या कुछ दिखता है हमें, ठीक है, मीन्स कुछ आउटर ग्रोथ ऐसे दिखती है नेक के, दैट इज नोन एज एडम्स एप्पल. एंड आर्मपिट्स में हेयर का आना, ठीक है. सो दीज ऑल आर सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स विच यूजुअली अकर इन द टीनेज, ओके, एंड द टाइम ऑफ प्यूबर्टी. So this is occur because of the hormone known as testes, and the secretion of testes is known as testosterone.